Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's mortgage video is about 3 great reasons to refinance your home loan. The first great reason is to get a lower interest rate. You see, by obtaining a lower interest rate, it will help you save thousands and thousands and thousands in interest. And by saving thousands, it helps you repay your mortgage a lot faster. So, if you haven't considered refinancing for a while, then what I suggest is look at refinancing because there's some great rates in the market at the moment. If you refinance to get a lower interest rate, what I suggest is to keep the repayments the same. So whatever it is that you're currently repaying with the old lender, keep those same repayments with the new lender. Why? Because that will help you pay off the loan a lot faster. You see, unfortunately, what some clients do is that they refinance, they have a lower repayment per month, and they revert to paying the lower repayments. And unfortunately, that does not help you pay off your mortgage a lot faster. So, really important point is to keep the repayments the same when you get a lower interest rate. The second great reason to refinance is it allows you to consolidate all your debt, your personal debt, to the mortgage. So if you have credit card debt, if you have personal loans, if you have car loans, by refinancing it allows you to consolidate all those debts onto the mortgage. You see, the credit cards, the personal loans, the car loans, they have interest rates in the teens or in the 20s, which is quite high. But by consolidating it into the mortgage, you're significantly reducing the rate to 3% or 3.5%, whatever the mortgage rate is. So you pay a lot less interest, and again, it allows you to pay off those debts a lot faster. By consolidating your debts, what I suggest is splitting the 2 loans. You don't want to add the debt onto your current mortgage, you want to split the 2. The reason why is because if you add the 2 debts together, the mortgage and all your personal debts, you're going to be repaying those personal debts over a 30-year term, which will put you at a disadvantage. So you want to split the 2, which will enable you to pay off all those personal loans, credit cards a lot faster instead of paying it over a 30-year term. And finally, the third great reason to refinance is access to equity to create wealth. So when you refinance, you're able to access the equity that you have in that property, and you're able to use that equity to buy investment properties, you're able to use that equity to buy shares, to build a granny flat, whatever it is, it allows you to you're able to use that equity to create wealth to help you retire on a comfortable lifestyle. So there are my 3 great reasons to refinance. Number 1, to get the lower interest rate. Number 2 is allows you to consolidate your personal debts onto the mortgage. And finally, the third is allows you to take the equity out to invest, to create wealth, to live a comfortable lifestyle. That's it from me. I hope you've got something out of this week's mortgage video. If you have any questions with anything that I've mentioned, please see your mortgage broker because they'll be able to sit down with you and provide and go through all the options that suit your personal circumstances. And if you have any questions, would love to hear your comments below. That's it from me. And remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.